Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix that frustrating insufficient storage error in CapCut. Whether you're in the middle of editing a project or just starting out, running out of space can really slow you down. By the end of this video, you'll have a clean, organized setup in CapCut and plenty of free storage so you can get back to creating with confidence. Let's dive right into the steps, starting inside CapCut itself. First up, we're going to clear the cache. If you head to Settings, that's the gear icon in the top right, you'll see an option to clear cache. What this does is remove temporary files CapCut saved while you worked. These aren't your actual projects, just leftovers that accumulate as you create. Clearing the cache won't delete any of your drafts, so you don't have to worry about losing your hard work. It's a quick way to free up room, and I recommend doing this every so often just to keep CapCut running smoothly. Next, let's take a look at your project library. You'll want to go through and delete any old completed projects that you're totally done with. Maybe these are practice edits or videos you've already exported and shared. Just make sure you export final versions before deleting the projects. Once they're gone, they're not coming back. It's a bit like cleaning out your closet. If you aren't using something anymore and you've already got it saved elsewhere, it's safe to toss. This step can make a surprisingly big difference, especially if you work on a lot of videos. Now, here's a helpful tip. You can actually change where CapCut saves your files. Head back into Settings and look for the folder icon sound next to Save To. Clicking this will let you pick a different location, maybe an external drive or another folder on your PC that has more space available. This is really useful if your main hard drive is getting crowded, but you have space elsewhere. Think of it as giving CapCut a bigger garage for all your video files. Shifting over to system-wide solutions, you should check how much storage your PC has available. Both Windows and Mac offer built-in tools for freeing up space. On Windows, you can run Disk Cleanup, while on Mac, you can use the Storage Management tool. These will hunt down temporary files, trash, and other clutter. Don't worry if this takes a few minutes. It's worth ensuring your whole system is cleared out, like tidying up every room in your house, not just the one where CapCut lives. And here's something people sometimes miss. Having multiple versions of CapCut installed can gobble up extra space. Maybe you tried updating or installing again, and now your system has old folders lying around. To check, just type CapCut in your search menu and select Open File Location. If you spot old versions, keep only the latest and delete the rest. It's like tossing out those extra boxes after you've upgraded to a new phone. You only need one. If you're still having trouble, consider using a disk analysis tool. Programs like Tree Size give you a bird's eye view of what's taking up space on your drive. You'll get a list of the biggest folders and files, making it super easy to spot and delete what you don't need, whether it's leftover downloads, forgotten project files, or anything else. Finally, if you've tried everything and nothing seems to work, the last resort is to reinstall CapCut. Uninstalling and then installing fresh will completely wipe out locally stored project files, so be sure to back up anything important first. Sometimes a clean slate is all it takes to fix stubborn storage problems. That's it. I hope these steps help you solve your storage woes and keep CapCut running perfectly. If you found this video useful, hit that like button. And let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want more tips on video editing tools. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss another tutorial. Thanks for watching and happy editing.